am going to show you how to set the canvas of your video on the 123apps.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application or the website on your device, and after that tap on this video editor section, which is the first one in the video tools section. Then click on open file, that's the blue button in the middle of the screen. After that you should select a video, tap on upload. Here you can find it and tap on this canvas button in the left side of the screen. Here you have the presets in terms of the size of the canvas. If you tap on the presets button, and you have 5 options: horizontal video, vertical video, square video, vertical video, and another horizontal video preset. Here you can set the background color, which is now set to black. You can also type in the code, the reference code. Here you have presets. And if you want to change the color, just tap on this one in the left side of this gray box. And here you can customize the color of your preferences. You can tap on this white circle and select the relevant shade you want to use. If you want to customize the canvas size, tap on the custom button. And here you can type in the relevant number and click on done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.